The visiting artists have gone to their homes or on to other shows, but the work at Vounous continues on for a bit. Emil and I got there in the afternoon, and we were soon joined by Hassan Chada and his daughters. I took the crucibles out of the furnace to cool. They were used there to cover the hot coals last night, and packed up the metalworking equipment. Hassan's daughters enjoyed working with clay, so they made some things while we slowly got organized. Ralph and Aishan arrived, and we started carefully carrying all the ceramic pieces into the kitchen area, where they made a staging platform for packing the unfired clay objects. As Hassan and I carried the pieces one by one, Aishan and Emil packed them in bins filled with sawdust and plastic bags. It's patient work. Carrying unfired pottery can't be rushed, and the fragile pieces need to be protected while being transported back to the city. The pieces will be taken to be fired and added to the collection of Vounous art and be part of the exhibitions. The ceramic art is here throughout the year, so people who visit the archaeological site can also see the kind of work that was a part of life for the people who were buried in the necropolis. It's a small but living museum. We worked until dark. The artists are all gone, but Vounous does not feel empty. Instead, it feels energetic, as if all the people who were here and the people who came in past years were somehow still here. The land vibrates with energy. If there are spirits that live on the top of the hill, I like to think that they would look down on us and appreciate how we keep their memory alive. There will be a few more days' work, packing and hauling, firing, and probably a bit of repair work. But even as autumn and winter approach, we will be thinking of Vounous.